Gradually to leave the bed. Wow. 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 She's being controlled in the spiritual world. Wow. Wow. You see? Wow. Wow. She's being controlled. Watch the next part. What is going on? Where is she going to? Where is she going to? Hey. Wow. Look at the young man still sleeping. After some minutes, I think this man is a weak man, or I don't know what to call. I don't know what to call him. I think he's having the feelings that nobody's on the bed with him again. See. He's looking for the lady. He can't find her. And this way she has been going to. Oh my God. She's being tormented. Guys, be careful of those fair ladies out there. I'm looking for yellow girl. I'm looking for yellow girl. Girl that is yellow, that is beautiful. Be careful. Why did she carry her wig? What is she doing with the wig? Man, guys, be careful. This is a strong message to you guys out there. Oh my God. She's putting on the wig. She's wearing the wig. Watch the next step. Watch her next step. Who is she manipulating with? Who is she talking to? Fair women, no. Fair women, spiritual husband. See as they torment this one. This one don't go. But you see them, they are beautiful out there. You don't know many of them have been married in the spiritual world. What is she doing? Oh my God. She's manipulating. Guys, just keep watching. Watch till the end. Just subscribe and share. Keep watching. We want to know what this lady is doing. We want to know. Keep watching, subscribe and share. Let's know what this lady is doing. Let's know what is her plan. And let's know what will be the guy's reaction. Wow. She's playing with herself. Just keep watching. Subscribe, share. So other guys will know what's happening. You go to sleep in the night. Other woman don't waka come out, leave you. No. Just keep watching. Just imagine. The guy can't surge himself. What's going on? What's happening? I can't find the lady anymore. Guys, just keep watching. Let's know what's going on. The guy is confused. That's the lady luggage there. The guy is confused. He can't find her. So I don't know what's his reaction. I don't know if he's going to beat the lady up or if he's going to, I don't know. But just keep watching. This is the kitchen. He can't find her. He did not see her in the kitchen, no. Just keep watching. Where is he going to now? Is he going to cut this lady, or I don't think he's going to. I think he noticed something. Hold on. He noticed something. This guy is a sharp guy. He noticed something. But be careful, guys. Be careful of ladies out there. I think he noticed something in the other room. But let's watch and see his reaction. Just subscribe, and they'll be giving you the part 2 of this episode coming up. Watch out. Wow. What? I think the guy caught her. He caught her. Oh my God. Jeez. This guy caught her manipulating her. Jeez. The guy caught her. Jeez. She's still manipulating. She's still touching herself. God. What would be this guy's reaction? Oh my God. This guy finally caught her. Guys, if you are the one, what will you do? Jesus Christ. And look